Hello, hello. I am glad to see you all. Children, a very good morning to all of you. I hope, children, everyone is feeling great today. I am your Goldie Ma'am. Children, welcome to the magical world of birds. Children, in today's session, let's do the fast recap of birds. This is a parrot. This is a crow. This is an eagle. This is a sparrow. This is a duck. This is a peacock. This is an owl. This is a kingfisher. This is a penguin. This is a rooster. This is a flamingo. This is a pigeon. This is a vulture. This is a crane. Come on, children, sing with me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his tail and away he flew. Now it's activity time, children. Excited? Today, children, we will be doing an interesting activity of making a bird, for which we need one big circle, two small circles, two very small circles, three triangles, one black sketch pen, two big leaves and two small leaves, one glue stick. Firstly, we will apply glue on the big circle and stick on the A4 size paper. You can take any colored A4 size paper. You will press it so that it does not come out. Then we will take a small circle, apply glue on it and stick on the big circle. Then again we will take a small circle, apply glue on it and stick it on the big circle. Now we have made two eyes with these circles. Now we will take very small circle, apply glue and stick on the small circle. Then again we will take white colored very small circle and stick it on the small circle. Then we will take black triangle, stick it between two eyes, that will become the beak of a bird. Now we will take another black triangle and put it above the eyes. This is ear of a bird. Now we will take another triangle, apply glue on it, stick it above the another eye. Now we have stuck the ears of the bird. Stick it properly. Now we will take a big leaf, apply glue on it and place it on the big circle. This will become one wing of the bird. Now we will take another big leaf and apply glue on it and place it on the other side. Now we have stuck both the wings. Now children, for legs we will take a small leaf and place it at the bottom of the big circle. Again we will take another small leaf, apply glue on it and put it at the bottom of the circle. We have made two legs of the bird. Now we will make eyes with black sketch pen, for which we will make slanting lines around the small circle. Now we will make slanting lines on the another eye. Now we will make eyes on the white circle. Now tell me children, which bird is this? Now you must have recognized the bird. Tell me. Yes children, you are right. It is an owl. Do you know children? Owl does not sleep at night. It sleeps during the daytime. Quiz time children. I will be asking you a question related to birds, and for that children I will be giving you few clues. The first clue is a bird which is black in color. Tell me children. And the sound of that bird is, listen carefully children. Yes children, you are right. It is crow. Tell me children, which is the bird which is green in color and bird which loves to eat chilies? Tell me children, and the sound of that bird is, listen carefully. Yes children, you are correct. It is parrot. Children, which bird sleeps during the daytime and search for their food during the night time? And children, listen to the sound of that bird carefully. Listen. Yes children, you are right. It is an owl. Tell me children, which is our national bird and the bird who loves to dance when it rains? Now listen to the sound of that bird. Listen carefully children and then answer. Good job children, you are Again right. It is peacock. Here is the solution of the worksheet, children, that I gave you yesterday. Children, I hope you must have colored the parrot neatly and with appropriate colors as I have done. Enjoy doing coloring, children. See you soon, children. Keep smiling. Goodbye.